3 starting soon screens made simple. 3 easy, free ways to build a clean starting soon screen. We're covering a quick OBS setup, a Canva design, and a free template from OWN. Let's start with the fastest option first. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is head to OWN Pro, links in the description, and you're going to want to sign up with whatever platform you use. So you can hit sign up. I've already signed up, so I'm going to hit log in. You can skip onboarding, and then on this screen you want to make sure you're on dashboard and then create scene and then go to desktop streaming. From here you want to click on a couple things, which would be overlay packs and desktop scenes, and then go to the plan drop down and click free. From here you see several overlays that you can pick from. I'm going to pick one that has a countdown timer since I use that. And then you want to scroll down till you see the starting soon screen, which is right here. So click on that. And then you want to install scene template, and whatever platform you're using, click on that. Create with blank alerts, which is fine. You can change that later. And now you can find your scene under my scenes, and you click on that to open it. From here you can customize pretty much everything. You can click on the timer. So if you look over here, you see countdown, and then click on settings, and you can put it to whatever amount of time that you want, and then X out of that. The other thing is socials. So you click on that, hit settings again, and then go to content, and then you can put whatever your Twitch handle is or your YouTube handle and hit X. And the last thing you want to do is go to the music widget. This is more of a premium feature, so you can go ahead and delete that. So once you're done editing everything, you want to hit save and then copy overlay URL drop down, and then complete scene. Go ahead and click on copy there, and then head to OBS. Alrighty, so now that we're back in OBS, we're gonna go ahead and add your starting soon screen. So go to scenes and hit the plus icon. You can name this something like starting soon screen. Hit OK, and then we're going to go to sources, hit the plus icon again, and go to browser, and we can name this something like owned starting soon screen. Click OK, and we're going to copy and paste that link and the URL, and then we're going to do the width at 1920 by 1080, and then just click OK. And there you have it. You have a good looking starting soon screen. A couple things with this screen, with the starting or the countdown timer, what you can do is hit refresh if you want to refresh the timer. Also, what I would recommend is going to a website to get royalty-free music, and basically make sure it's at a length that kind of matches your timer, and you can get that at Pixabay. I think that's how you say it, but the link's in the description, so you can check that out as well. All right, so next we're going to be building a starting soon screen in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is hit the plus icon where it says create, and then go to custom size and make sure the width is 1920, height by 1080, and then create new design. From here you want to search templates and search something like stream starting soon. And you'll notice with the overlays that they do have a crown in some of them in the bottom right hand corner. That's for overlays that you have to pay for, but some of them don't have a crown. So like in this case, I'll just click on this one, and this is entirely free. It's kind of like an interactive starting soon screen. And the way that you want to change things in the actual screen itself is you can hover over it and just click on it, and I'll name this something like Twitch handle. So once you actually customize all of this, what you're going to want to do is hit share and then download, and make sure it's an MP4 because it is an interactive video. And then we're going to hit download, and then just make sure you download it. Just name it something that you're going to remember in a file that you can easily access. And after you download that, we're going to go ahead and go back to OBS. All right, so now that we're back in OBS, what we're going to do is go down to scenes and hit the plus icon, and then name this starting soon screen or something like that. Hit OK. And then we're going to go to sources and then hit the plus icon and scroll down to media. And you can name this starting soon. And then click OK. And then you're going to want to browse and find that download. Click on it and open it. And you're going to want to loop that. And then just hit OK. And there you have it. You have a good looking starting soon screen. And next we're going to talk about how you set up a starting soon screen within OBS. All right, so next we're going to work on a custom starting soon screen within OBS. So the first thing we're going to want to do is search for an animated background video free download and click on Pixabay. And then you want to click on background. And this will give you a bunch of background options. So just download whichever one you like the best. I'll click download here, X out of that. And once it's downloaded, I can find the folder and I'll rename this something like starting soon background. And make sure that's saved. Yes. And once you do that, you want to head back to OBS. All right, so now that we're back in OBS, again, we're going to hit the plus icon and scenes. And we're going to name this starting soon screen again. Click OK, and then go to sources, hit the plus icon, and then go down to media and name this starting soon background. And click OK, and then find your video and open it. And you're going to want to loop it. Click OK, and then we're going to go ahead and resize this so it fits the screen. And there you go. Now you have a custom background. Next thing we're going to want to do is add your Twitch handle. So hit the plus icon and sources, and then just scroll down till you see text. And we can name this Twitch handle. Click OK. And whatever your Twitch handle is, put it in the text box and then click OK. And all you have to do is just, put it at the top or in the middle, just wherever you want it, and make sure it's centered. All right, so next we're going to add an interactive countdown. So how we do this is first go to sources, hit the plus icon, and then go down to text. And we're going to name this countdown. Click OK. And then for the text, just put the amount of time that you want for your countdown timer. Then click OK, and then put that wherever you want it. And then after that, we're going to go to tools and go to scripts. And I actually made a countdown script. So I'm going to go ahead and open that. And you're going to want to put the duration at 4 minutes. And the text source, you're going to want to link that to your countdown. And then for the final text, you can just put something like live and then close it out. So now you have an interactive countdown timer. And for the script, I'll go ahead and link that in the description so you guys have that. And to reset that, you can click main and then go back and it'll reset your timer. All right, so for the interactive countdown timer script, you can just open it with Notepad, and you want to make sure you save it as countdown.lua. And then you want to make sure the save as type is all files, and then just click save, and the countdown should work. Now that you have 3 solid options, every time you start your stream, it's going to feel like, woo, yeah, baby. Whether you want something fast, something custom, or full control, you've got a setup that actually works. Most people overcomplicate this, but you don't have to. Keep it simple, keep it clean, and build from there. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe. More content like this coming soon.